Hey, it's Chris. I hope you're well. Removing or installing a compression cap from a Shimano Autotech type crankset has to be done with the right tool. This is the plastic version of our beloved crank cap tool. Okay, let's dig into this one.
The tool is compatible with Shimano Autotech type compression caps. Before removing or installing the compression cap, make sure the lateral bolts are unscrewed. The compression cap can be removed or installed by hand, as the ridges on the side of the tool make it easy. An 8mm X-wrench can be installed on the tool, making untightening or tightening even easier.
Okay, simple, effective, and affordable. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.